Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I've been paying a lot of attention to this channel, but I really want to start uploading my creative stuff. I love, making jewelry, making necklaces, and I'll show you some of those as well. And yeah, just my creative process, and I think I want to do that more. Now, what I'm creating here is it's going to be a swimwear. And I love the fact that you can just take a ball of thread and a needle and create something like this. I think it's actually quite amazing. So I'll be doing quite a few of those patterns that you just saw. I'll be doing quite a few of those, and then be putting them together to make that swimwear. Now the reason I'm doing this is that I have a fashion show coming up this month. I've done a lot, and it's a beachwear. I've made quite a few of my stuff already, and when I do get them fitted and so on, I will be uploading those because I think it's important to see all the stuff that I've done. And as I said, I want to be posting more of the things that I do. So this is what's going on. So let's take a look. Let's sit back and see how this all comes together. Right, so that's just the is this what you call the little buds, I guess. And as I said, I had to make quite a few of these because you're going to be crocheting these together, stitching them together to make that swimwear. And if you're a crochet artist, then you know exactly what I'm doing. But if you're not, then it's something that you're going to look at and wonder how this will all form into a swimwear. But trust me, it is doable. Just giving you an idea of how many of these I had to make to get done, to be able to have enough to form the swimwear. So yeah. Alright, just to give you an idea, what we're doing here is trying to form out how we're going to be stitching these together. We have quite a few of these to work with, so should be interesting. And of course, you see that little hand in and out of my my video. That's my son, who loves strings. And of course, he had to find himself in there somewhere. I cannot work alone. But it's always a pleasure having him around, always my company. And yeah, so go ahead, and if you want to see more of this, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.